Hey everyone, Chris here from Warranty Valet. Need to file a warranty claim with IKEA? No worries, I'm here to make it super easy for you. Stick around as I break down the process in just a few simple steps. You may have purchased products from IKEA to enhance your home, but unfortunately, some of them may have issues during the warranty period, despite IKEA's commitment to quality. Visiting our website will clear up any confusion you may have about the warranty claim process. Furthermore, it summarizes the whole process in just 3 simple steps. Underneath the simple steps, the contact information for IKEA is provided, including their phone number 888-888-4532 and contact address. Click the first link www.ikea.com. On their website, you'll find a chat option. You can chat to initiate the claim process by texting warranty. Once connected with a representative, they will request only the purchase receipt and article number to escalate the claim online. You can find the article number, which is an 8-digit code on a black background, located below the product image. Once you've provided all the details through chat, the representative will escalate the case and share an email address where you can attach images of the defective item. The IKEA team will review the photos of the defective items sent via email, verify them, and provide a resolution, whether a reshipment or a refund, based on your preference within 72 hours. That's all I have to say today. Good luck with your IKEA warranty claim. Before we finish, remember, if you ever have any trouble with your warranty, the Warranty Valet website is here to help. We've assisted many customers, and we're happy to help you too.